The reason that we're doing this is that we know that California is at a very critical moment when it comes to our budget. And we feel very strongly that the best way to pass a budget that respects and reflects the values of all of us in California is to make sure that we engage in a transparent and inclusive budget process. That's why immediately upon taking over the speakership, I announced that we would no longer negotiate the budget behind closed doors just between the governor and the 4 legislative leaders. Instead, we're going to be doing the budget in the way that our Constitution anticipated, through a committee and subcommittee process. We're going to do it in a way that is completely transparent. We've begun the process of webcasting all of our hearings, and today's town hall here in Fresno will also be webcast. We will allow for people in the community to express their values as we walk through a budget priority session with them, headed by a nonpartisan good government group that helps us include people in this process. But as we talk about the budget, one thing is eminently clear, and that is that our #1 priority has to be protecting public safety. If we're going to do the work that we need to do to rebuild our economy, to create the jobs in the state of California, and to stabilize our economy, we need to make sure that we do so in an environment where people know that it is safe to shop, to live in our communities, and to work in our communities. And for that reason, public safety has to be an absolute priority for us as we move forward. Over the last year, we've trimmed the Assembly budget substantially in terms of our operations, and we've taken that savings and dedicated $17 million of it, thank you, to help fire services throughout the state respond for that element of public safety. And last week, after meeting with the family of Chelsea King, I directed another $250,000 to the Sex Offender Management Board to help increase training for parole officers and probation officers to keep Californians safe from predators. This money, as I said, comes from the operational savings that we've achieved in the Assembly. We are committed to enacting solutions to California's biggest challenges: job creation, balancing the budget, and enacting meaningful, lasting reforms. Public safety and education and health care all play critical roles in our economy, and we need to make sure that we have a comprehensive solution that moves us forward.